Good evening. The weather has been a tale of two halves today. The autumnal sunshine in many eastern areas, highlighting the beauty of the colours at this time of year. But further west, as you can see across Carmarthenshire, Pembrokeshire too in Wales, it's been really very wet, as it has across parts of the Isles of Scilly and Cornwall, northwestern parts of Wales, northern England and the east of Northern Ireland. That rain now is pushing its way across central parts of Scotland. So it's really quite heavy. There have been some rumbles of thunder and it will stay quite intense for the next few hours before it starts to ease away a little overnight, but pushing across much of Scotland, bar perhaps the northwest and the far east, because it gets swamped tomorrow by this next developing area of rain. I'll come back to that. With all the breeze and the cloud, it's mostly a mild night, a little bit chilly across eastern areas as we get towards Friday morning. But this is what takes centre stage for Friday, this huge area of low pressure filling up much of the eastern Atlantic, and it's set to bring us not just more rain tomorrow on what we've had in the last 48 hours, but some windier weather, autumnal gales, even some severe gales. So there's a potential there for some disruption because, of course, after all the rain we've had, the rivers are getting higher, the ground's saturated. We've still got our weak weather front by this stage meandering its way eastwards, so not as much sunshine for the eastern side of the country tomorrow. And then we've got some wetter weather to come through the afternoon across the southwest of England and the bulk of Wales. You can see those temperatures 11 to 13, which is just a little bit above average. So again, it's an east-west split, but it will be a windier day all round. There's gusts of wind even inland close to gale force, and certainly around the coast some gales and over the hills as well. It's a pretty wet day for Northern Ireland, the bulk of Northern Ireland. That rain through the latter part of the afternoon moves in across much of southern and western Scotland again. After today's rain, yesterday's rain is not going to be pleasant. And that low pressure stays with us throughout the weekend, throwing in further showers. In fact, that rain may just drag its heels a little and be slow to clear in southern and eastern areas. It's still quite windy for a time here. And then given we've a southwesterly wind, that's where the showers will be prevalent in southern and western areas. So perhaps some eastern and northern parts of England, eastern Scotland, seeing fewer showers. Similar story on Sunday, actually, although we could see that rain band still lingering across the Northern Isles. Showers elsewhere and a fair breeze too. Temperatures just, though, a little above average. The warnings, they're on the website. Bye-bye.